You alright?
Alright.
Let's do it. They've told me you're the nutter.
Is it?
That's what they say. Well, we'll see.
Well, to be honest, I'm a little bit thrown off by the fact that I'm on the wrong side of the car for me, so it feels a little bit odd, but still fun.
Look at it.
Yeah, this is a box stand. Well, it's got the Lamborghini Akrapovic exhaust.
Yeah.
Which is an original aftermarket accessory, but from Lamborghini, and that's it. Other than that, it's just an STO.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Sign them off. Brilliant.